how fast this internet is. Pending updates, let's update Sainsbury's. Wow, that's how fast this internet is. We're going up to like 671, whatever it's called per second. It's not megabytes. Is it megabytes per second? What are we updating? Messenger. Look at that, people. That is how fast my internet is. When I upload, I'm going to show you how fast it is, just so you can see how fast my internet is. And then, I'd recommend you, not doing any kind of advertisements for them, but it's brilliant. Look how fast that's going, that's super speed Sonic. So you can see I need to update my software. Look how fast that is downloading. That is 4 minutes. But look at it go. It might not even take 4 minutes, now 3. That's crazy. 2.26 gigabyte. This is how fast my internet is, people. My internet. Wow, we're on 330 already. Me just doing that for like 2 seconds. That's crazy. Yeah. So all I can say is, you want decent internet? You know who you gotta go to. Telling you guys, this is crazy. Just jumped to 800 and odd, 900. Oh my god. A minute. Let's see if it actually takes a minute. Go. Super fast. Less than a minute. Warning. Whoa, super duper. Go ahead, smash a like and comment down below if you think the internet's mint like, and subscribe if you're new.